See that the Lord is good. You can't say that God is bad if you haven't tasted it, if you haven't tried Him. And it's all about relationship. His coming as man, as Jesus, and dying on the cross, right? And then resurrecting, taking all of our sins upon Him, was all about relationship. It was that He wanted us to be reconciled to the Father. End the story. We overcomplicate, the message of the gospel. It was never about religion. It was always about relationship. And how do you get to know Him, and how do you get to know yourself when it comes to Him and relationship and your position and your role and your value and your identity is
Wow.
through the book that He's given you.